welcome to another PA Pages how-to tutorial video. In this two-part series, we're going to have a look at how to change text automatically from upper to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase, from sentence case, and to change text from capitalizing each word to sentence case, and vice versa. First of all, today we're going to have a look at how to do it in Microsoft PowerPoint, and next week we'll have a look at how to do it in Microsoft Word. So be sure to subscribe at the end of this video so that you can be notified when we post it. So if you receive a document that has text that's capitalized here and not there, to do this, all you need to do is just highlight on the section or the words that you want to change and go up to this nifty little button up here. And when you hover over it, it says change case. So just click on the little drop down button and you'll see that it gives you all of these different options. So what we're going to do here is we're going to change this upper to lowercase, and we're going to change lowercase to uppercase. We're going to capitalize the first letter in each word, and we're going to change capitalizing the first letter of each word to sentence case, so that just the first one is a capital. So that's it. That's how easy it is. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed and liked this little tip, be sure to click the like button and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe again so that you can be notified how to do this in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.